Welcome everyone back to the final day of affiliate marketing for digital products. And the topic that we have today is also one of the most important topic. I guess I've taken this topic on the very right day, that is the last day. You'll definitely know the reason why I am saying so. So the topic for today is values to be considered while doing the affiliate marketing. How do we actually nurture our mindset when we are doing digital marketing and affiliate marketing? One most important thing is to be positive. Affiliate, when we say affiliate marketing, it is comparatively a very slow process. You cannot see success overnight. It is practically not possible, and that is the reason you definitely need to be always positive. You'll see a lot of ups and downs of phases. Even if you're doing some affiliate marketing with a large amount of money which is giving you a good amount of commission, in spite of that you may see a couple of ups and downs which are coming into your life. It's a complete roller coaster life which we'll be having in affiliate marketing. So definitely always be positive, be consistent into your work. Just because of one downfall, make sure that second fall should not happen. Okay. So yes, one of the key terms, always be positive. Apart from that, I would also like to tell you is always believe in yourself, accept whatever is coming to you, and keep on expanding. What do I mean by this particular thing is look for any type of collaborations, any type of whatever different goodwills that's coming to you. You'll have to believe onto that. Do not start with judgments. Do not have that wrong attitude. Always believe, accept it. If you're not accepting, that means you are not giving your 100% to it. And believing and accepting is going to lead to your expansion. So whatever is coming to you in terms of knowledge, in terms of revenue, in terms of collaborations, new products, just go with a belief. Okay, that does not mean you just accept all the modes. You will definitely land up into a big trouble. But whatever is coming to you in terms of your niche, accept all those things. Go for collaborations. At the same time, another important point is to give and also take. Okay. So, as important is taking, equally important is to give as well. So, when you are getting 10 opportunities, what you can definitely do is look for a hand holding person whom you can support and give, give away. It's okay. You alone cannot take care of everything at all the time. So make sure that you in parallel lines are making your backups. I myself work with a big team, and it's somewhere important that we don't accept everything onto one single head. It's really complicated at particular time to take care of everything. We need to go for networking collaborations as far as possible, and you will see more you are giving, you will also get much beyond what you are giving. Okay, so definitely please, this is one of the key philosophy we need to follow into our life if we really want to grow into our affiliate marketing. Next, another important point from social media standpoint, ask for feedbacks and ask for testimonials. It's okay to ask for testimonials because there are many people who might like your work, but they don't know that how important is testimonial for you. So ask for feedbacks and ask for testimonials. Like today, I will be asking y'all, I will appreciate if you all give me feedbacks and testimonials for this particular course that we have gone through, 21-day challenge. Any feedback, any improvement area, I am always open for it. In fact, throughout this 21 days, if I'm not sure if you have observed, but there's been a lot of evolvement into myself as well. So yes, I am always open for feedback, and thanks to most of y'all who have given me regularly feedbacks. So thank you for the feedback. And yes, request you all to give me a testimonial if you really find this particular course impactful in any ways. I have my website link, Facebook link, and my YouTube channel. You're already looking at this particular video. So, yes, it will definitely help me to grow and expand if you all give me a testimonial. So, thank you very much. And last and important note, which I would like to let you all leave this particular course is remember you're nurturing a life. So, make sure that you are sensitive about it. Okay, our aim is not just to gain money. No, we are definitely nurturing multiple lives. So please be sensitive on this particular topic. And with this, I would like to tell each one of y'all a heartfelt thank you. Thank you very much for being with me and supporting me throughout this journey. Thanks a lot. And yes, we will stay connected. So thanks a lot.